The plans I have for your life. In Jeremiah 29:11, God says, the plans I have for your life are plans to prosper you. They are not plans to bring harm on you, but they are plans to prosper you. God knows what you are going through, the hardships, the pain that you are feeling right now. But God wants to assure you in Jeremiah 29:11, and He says He has planned for your life. And those plans are plans to prosper you. They are plans to move you to the next phase of life. They are not plans to harm you. God doesn't have a plan to harm you. He doesn't have a plan to bring pain, to bring hurt in your life. He wants you out from the situation that you are in. He wants you out from the pain that you are feeling. He wants you out from the phase or the stage in life that you are in. He wants you to experience the prosperity that He mentions in 29:11. He wants you to experience the outcome that He mentions in Jeremiah 29:11. He says the plan He has for your life since you came to this world, the plan He had always, it's a plan to prosper you. It's a plan to bring good in your life. Therefore, everything that you are feeling and that you are going through, God says He is about to move you to the next stage. He is about to move you according to His word. The word He speaks in Jeremiah 29:11, it's an assurance to your life. What you have in Him, it's faith. And He assures you, according to your faith in His word, that He is moving your life to the next phase. He is moving your life to the next stage in life. Therefore, your life will not remain the same. According to His word, your life will not remain the same. You are moving to the next phase. You are moving to the next stage according to His word, and stay blessed.